not chase shiny penny tomorrow. Today we sit down here and team of 15, we're constantly looking to hire more people. One thing you will see with my team is the system and processes that I created within the team. Well, my channel has always been regarding short-term rental business, but the more and more people follow me, I want to make sure that not only people understand who I am, what I do, what I have been, in the last few years doing, and eventually also share a bit of entrepreneurship and business content through my channel. And look, if you're new to this channel, my name is Piers. I run growairbnb.com and work in a short-term rental industry, consulting clients all over the world. But look, let me take it back. I've been in the business, literally running a business, and have always been self-employed for the last 8 years. Now, in this last 8 years, I've learned a lot about entrepreneurship, a lot about business, a lot about my mindset being changed, and sitting down in 2023, I'm sitting here speaking to a lot of operators, be they're in their early 20s to clients I've got in 50s, and I get to share my experience. And today I want to kind of give you the 3 life lessons I've learned, and also a bit of background about what I've owning a estate agency and a letting agency, how that went about, my change of mindset, my change of running a business, my change of what's actually involved in running a business that we want to scale at later date. So look, without further ado, I want to talk about some of the life lessons I've learned, and hopefully in this video you get to share some too. I came here in the UK 2007 August. My dad's in Gurkha, a normal lad who served British Army for the 25 years. My mum's a housewife, so I don't actually come from a business or an entrepreneurship background. The fact that I've somehow managed to get myself out there, and one of the biggest reason I was saying to myself was, look, if I don't do it in my family, there's no other way behind it. And that was always my mindset in early days. But secondly, I completely, I'm very, very fortunate to say this, that I live in the UK where the options and the opportunity was just limitless. Like, I just couldn't absolutely think about anywhere else in the world I would be to start and grow my business. And to have that opportunity, and to be able to just sit down and look at and admire the country, that's exactly what I've done from day one. I've only lived in the country 15 years, and a lot of people look at me going, okay, Piers, are you born in the UK? I'm not born in the UK. I moved here when I was 16, getting into 17 years old. I started my business when I was 22. So it gave me a very different opportunity to just go and crack on with life, and more importantly, embrace the country. The second life lessons I probably learned in this process was, do not chase the shiny penny tomorrow. Every entrepreneur will say that, and I will say that too. If you're looking to make money without passion, and for me, short-term rental business that I've got a passion on, I say, I've been in the industry 5 years, and I want to be in the industry 20 years later and sit down on all the good things we've done for the industry. But if you really want to personally know me and you are my client, you can tell how passionate I am for everything I do in the business and for the industry. Like, we've got 2 things I've been currently working on: an app for the industry that's hopefully is going to be launched at the end of, I'll probably say hopefully mid this year. With further delay, again, I've never built an app. So as an entrepreneur, to be able to fund that and to be able to create something that's going to attract the market, I am very excited, because it's the knowledge that I have got in the industry. But secondly, we've built a software at the moment where I'm all about performance management for our clients. Why do people come and work with me? It's purely to make more money. And we've created a software, in-house software at the moment, where with one button, even if you've got 30 units, I can run a report in less than 15 minutes and get all your performance for the next 3 to 6 months, and then be able to give you guidance based on your existing calendar. You don't even have to tell me these are the calendars, this is what we actually take it off through a system, as long as you provide us the Airbnb link and it's fully updated. So again, things like that, investing time in creating software, investing time on creating an app, it's taken us a lot of time and effort to build it, but then also all thanks to my team. Because the third thing I want to share in this video is, when I first started my journey, I would have never thought I'd be building a team of 15 people. Today, we sit down here and, a team of 15, we're constantly looking to hire more people. And one thing you will see with my team is the system and processes that I created within the team. And that's how we're operating our business. We've got system until, pretty much operationally, we're very strong. And one of the reasons why I did that was it was important that as we grow our business, my people, my team, which I call family today, is very, very important. But secondly, the business should be able to work without me being involved all the time. And it's proven in the last few months the business has worked where I've spent a lot of personal time with my family for health reasons and all that kind of stuff. And again, look, I'm being absolutely honest about what I've been achieving in the last 5 years in this channel. I kind of show you the journey of operating a short-term rental business, working with so many operators around the world, and eventually now we're looking at more different things that is very unusual for short-term rental industry to do. And we're talking with letting agencies, we're consulting letting agencies to actually start short-term rental business. So there's a lot more for me right now for the industry and what I want to do for the industry, but it kind of goes back to who is it around me and how I can build a team and how I'm going to grow a business with them. So look, this is just a quick update. It was just to sit down, share you some of my knowledge. I'm really, really excited for the next few weeks. I'm going to build more content around my life lessons, around what I'm doing as a business owner, just rather than an entrepreneur, pretty much a person who runs a short-term rental agency. I really want to go deep into how, if you're looking to start, do not compare your journey with anyone else. Let your journey be different. Well, look, if you're new to this channel, please make sure if you enjoyed this video, hit that like, subscribe and share, and I will be back with another video soon.